Kuthiwa-ke ama-Buccaneers eqalile ukulungiselela isizini entsha. As we know that the transfer rumors are now starting as we head into the last part of the season. So kuthiwa ama-Buccaneers are looking to add 2 more players, in the upcoming season. Sebeqalile-ke now they are in talks with Golden Arrows for their star players. Ngoba sazi-ke ukuthi there is one player people are always particularly talking about who plays for Arrows, and some even believe ukuthi-ke uyayideserva nokuthi ayodlala kwiBafana Bafana. So according to iDiski Times, Golden Arrows star players Siyanda Ndlovu and Yabulela Maxwele have agreed to join Orlando Pirates in principle ahead of the 2026-2027 season. Sources close to Arrows have confirmed that both players have indicated their willingness to join the Buccaneers despite interest from elsewhere in the Premier Soccer League. Mamelodi Sundowns have been admirers of Ndlovu in particular, while there's also been recent interest from Belgium and Major League Soccer. But Pirates have acted swiftly to engage Arrows over the 2 of their most prized assets, who have been key under Manqoba Mnqethi this campaign. So kuthiwa-ke ama-Buccaneers have agreed-ke nawo-ke Arrows ukuthi ithathe bona-ke nabadlali bo-2 uSiyanda Ndlovu naye Ayabulela Maxwele. So buye ngathi iMamelodi Sundowns izomisa out kuNdlovu because they were also interested. But I think-ke une-chance enkulu ukuthi adlaleke khona-ke laphana kwi-Pirates. Then Mamelodi Sundowns, as we know the quality that they have there at Sundowns. The Pirates are quality, but I think he will get more chances ukuthi adlale. But sabona-ke cause labo Msindama abadlali laphana kwi-Pirates oGladys abahamba bengadlali. So yeah, kuthiwa-ke lama players azojoyina ama-Buccaneers in the upcoming season. How do you think they will do if ujwayele ukuyibukela-ke yona-ke i-Arrows?